Na maisha ne monda kali kuchiane monda na wale monda kujikava kabisa asaya kuchi wako wale kuchiane aki nja wate kulipitite ile mukio monda kali kuchiane japani. I am telling you the truth. Esa babu ne nje no mwakili so mete chete lichiko so mete. I am an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Ekero monda ko soelu wakali yaki.
A few moments later.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this is the team, the legal team that appears for the Honorable Deputy Governor, Senior Counsel Katwa Kigen, Counsel Wilkinson Ochoki, Counsel Kevin Michuki, Counsel Wilgrida Majong, and myself, Honorable Speaker, Counsel Silvanus Osoro.
A few moments later.
The Deputy Governor of Kisii County is as follows. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. The ayes, 39. The nays, 3. Abstention, 1. So the ayes have it. Charge number 2, abuse of office. The ayes, 39. Nays, 3. Abstention, 1. Again, the ayes have it. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. The ayes, 35. Nays, 7. Abstention, 1. The ayes have it. Charge number 4, crimes under national law. The ayes are 32, nays are 10, abstention at 1. So ayes have it. Now, honorable senators, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act provide as follows. If a majority of all the members of the Senate vote to uphold an impeachment charge, the Deputy Governor shall cease to hold office. Honorable Senators, the result of the divisions indicate that the Senate has upheld the following impeachment charges. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. Charge number 2, abuse of office. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. And charge number 4, crimes under national law. Now, honorable senators, pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act, and the Standing Order 86 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, and the Deputy Governor, therefore, ceases to hold office forthwith. I thank you. You may, Sergeant at Arms, you may now proceed to withdraw the bar and open the doors. And honorable senators, kindly be upstanding.